Hi guys, welcome to 5 Mantra. This is Security Faculty of Reasoning. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic and very easy topic, that is directions. Right? So this topic is almost in every exam you will get the questions from directions, because this is the practically based topic. So that is why this is very important for competitive examinations. Right? So let us see those questions. So a person starts from a point A and travels 3 kilometers eastwards towards B, and then turns left and travels thrice the distance to reach C. He again turns left and travels 5 times the distance he covered between A and B. Covered between A and B, and reaches his destination D. The shortest distance between the starting point and the destination. So observe the difference between previous question and this question, last question and this question. Here, person starts from point A and travels 3 kilometers eastwards towards B. That is common for second, right? Eastwards means this is the direction. How many kilometers is given? 3 kilometers. For example, this is 3 kilometers. 3 kilometers. And then turns left and travels thrice the distance to reach C. That means from A to B covered 3 kilometers. Now from B to C covered thrice the distance which is covered by A and B. That means AB is equal to, just now we written 3 kilometers. Then BC is nothing but thrice, 3 times of this distance, that is 3 into 3. To reach C, he has to cover 9 kilometers from B. So from here, thrice distance means 9 kilometers is covered. Suppose this is 9 kilometers, thrice distance. Now he reaches a point C. Next, he again turns left and travel 5 times the distance he covered between A and B. 5 times the distance covered between A and B. A and B covered 3 kilometers. So 5 times is nothing but 5 into 3. So 15 kilometers is covered from C to D. 15 kilometers left side means this side. 15 kilometers he covered. So this is 15 kilometers. Right. So 15 kilometers is covered. Then you'll get a point D here. The shortest distance between the starting point and the destination. This is the distance is asking. Shortest distance means. Observe here you have to find the distance between A and D. So how can you find here distance between A and D? See, so if you write as to this point, right? So this is 3 kilometers means this is also 3 kilometers. Out of 15, already 3 kilometers is completed. Till here 3 kilometers is completed. So this remaining portion indicates 12 kilometers. Is it clear, all of you? CD total is 15 kilometers. This is 12 and this is 3. Then it becomes 15 kilometers. And next thing is here BC. Suppose if you take this point as E. This BC is 9 kilometers. In the same way, AE also 9 kilometers, which indicates same distance, right? This becomes 9 kilometers. Now, this ADE or AED, you will get a right angle triangle. Same Pythagoras theorem. In right angle triangle, you can write AD square is equal to AE square plus ED square. So Pythagoras theorem you can apply. So 12 square plus 9 square, or 9 square plus 12 square. So 9 square is 81, 12 square is 144. Is it clear? So if you add this much, how much you'll get? 225. Is it clear? So AD square equal to 225, then AD equal to square root of 225. AD equal to, you'll get square root. So square root of 225 is same as what? 15 square. So 15 becomes the answer. That is AD. 15 kilometers. That is the shortest distance between initial and final position. Suppose asking direction. What is the final direction with respect to the starting point means? This is the arrow mark. This arrow mark indicates which direction. So if you draw like this is north, this is west, so it becomes northwest. So direction is northwest and the distance between those two is 15 kilometers. Is it clear? Right. Let us see the next one. A girl leaves from her home. She first walks 30 meters in northwest direction and then 30 meters in southwest direction. Next, she walks 30 meters in southeast direction. Finally, she turns towards her home. In which direction is she moving now? So he is asking again only direction. So no need to calculate anything. Let us see that. A girl leaves her home. She first walks 30 meters in northwest. So northwest, here you can take, this is the northwest direction. Is it clear all of you? Northwest, northeast, southeast, southwest. So according to this we can move. So 30 meters in northwest. This is the northwest direction, 30 meters. I am not writing any measurements here. Next. And then 30 meters in southwest direction. Southwest direction means this is the direction southwest. So that means she is moving like this. How many meters? Like 30 meters is given again. Right. Next, she walks 30 meters in southeast direction. If you observe here, southeast means this is the direction again. So that arrow mark indicates southeast. How many meters? 30 meters. Like this, she is moving southeast. Completed. In which direction is she moving? So finally, in which direction she is moving asking. So it's clearly she is moving in southeast direction, right? 30 meters in southeast direction finally is given. So this direction is which direction? That is again southeast. So no doubt in that. So answer becomes southeast direction, that is third option. Clear? Let's see the next. So Sanjeev walks 10 meters towards the south. Turning to the left, he walks 20 meters and then moves to his right. After moving a distance of 20 meters, he turns to the right and walks 20 meters. Finally, he turns to the right and moves a distance of 10 meters. How far and in which direction is he from the starting point? So here measurements is given, here definitely you should take measurements. Because last question is based on the only direction, so that is why you have not taken any measurement. So but here measurements is given in the options also, 10 meters north, 10 meters south, 20 meters north, 10 meters south, and none of this is given. So here you should find direction, at the same time distance also. Let us see that. So Sanjeev walks first 10 meters towards the south. So south direction 10 meters we can consider. south 10 meters, you can take this is 10 meters. Next, he walks 20 meters, 10 meters towards south, turning to the left, he walks 20 meters. So left side means this side 20 meters. And then moves to his right, after moving a distance of 20 meters. So again right side 20 meters, suppose this is 20 meters. He turns to the right and walks 20 meters. So right side means again this side. 20 meters means exactly at this position because this was same. So he turns to the right and moves a distance of 10 meters is given. So from this point again 10 meters right. So 10 meters right means northwards 10 meters. Already this is 20, so half of this represents 10. Right, exactly this point which indicates 10 meters. Now is asking how far and in which direction he is from the starting point. So this is the starting point you know already, and how far is asking means from this point to this point. What is the distance? So clearly this total is 20, here it is 10 means this portion indicates 10. Observe here. This is the portion which indicates 10. From here to here 10 meters. And this is 10 and this is 10, total becomes 20 meters. Is it clear? So total distance from the initial position to final position is 20 meters distance. And one more is asking direction. From the starting point is in which direction? Because it is asking from the starting point. So from the starting point is in south direction because this is the direction you have to consider. So this is north and direction is south. So 20 meters south becomes a correct answer. Is it clear? So nothing is there. First 10 meters towards south, after that left and 20 meters walking, again after that 20 meters right side, from there left turn, again he takes 20 meters, from here again right 10 meters. So here is the point, if this is total is 20, so this is also 20, but we are taken up to half of the distance, that is 10, so remaining is 10. So is asking the distance between initial and final position, that is 10 and then 20 meters is the distance, and when compare with the initial position is in south direction. So answer becomes 20 meters south. So this goes 30 meters north, then turns right and walks 40 meters, then again turns right and walks 20 meters. Then again turns right and walks 40 meters. How many meters is he from his original position? Right. So let us see the diagram. So first he goes 30 meters north. So 30 meters north you can take. Suppose this is 30 meters north. Next then turns right and walks 40 meters. Turns right side means this side, you can take 40 meters. Suppose this is 40. Next, then again turns right and walks 20 meters. So again turns right side means this side, walks 20 meters. Suppose this indicates 20. Then again turns right and walks 40 meters. So again right side means this is the side. So 40 meters means exactly same length. You can consider, you will get arrow like this, 40 meters exactly. Now observe, how many meters is he from his original position? That's all, very simple. This is the original position. Now is asking the distance between these 2 points. From here to this point to, this is the final position, and this is the initial position. So this total is 30, already this is 20 means from here to here it is 20. This distance is 20 and this distance becomes 10. Remaining distance, this is 10 meters. So initial and final position distance is 10 meters, which is given in the second option. So that is the correct answer for this question, right? Let us see the next one, right? So in this way we can do so many questions in directions, because this is very important. So in next class we will discuss more concepts on, that is more advanced concepts in directions. How will they ask the questions based on the directions? So those questions we will discuss in the next video. And one thing, don't forget to subscribe. This is UK Reddy signing off.